What a day it has been again for the color method trading these small cap US stocks. AIHS came right out the blocks today, guys. Came up on the scanner, it was red and then it turned green straight after the open, 10 minutes after the US Open for the morning move. We went from $4.50 all the way up to $6.40. So we run a couple of dollars there, well over our dollar run goal for the day. But we halted in here, so the stock stopped trading for a little bit, and then we just went on another move on that next candlestick and then went sideways with the red color method here. And then we got the tracks. The tracks were red as well, so that's a warning sign. When tracks are red, 1, 2 and 3 track, then that's a heads up we could roll over and drop. But we went green straight away, and we bought that at $6.75, and then it continued higher all the way up to $8. We couldn't get through the $8. We spiked a little bit higher, and the telltale signs was once we get through that round number of $8, that wick pushes through and we close underneath $8. So we're trading with a red color method pro trading system at the moment. What a move this was. I actually bought some of this as well in my pension, my SIP. And you can do that if your company that you've got your SIP with, or your AIHS, if you're based here in the UK. Obviously, you won't understand it if you're listening to this from the US. But anyway, if you're trading in the UK, I bought some of this in my SIP as it started to run. Just got my app out, looked for a buy signal here on the chart. Bought some of this in my SIP and made some really nice profit really quickly. Now, you've got to be careful when you're trading with the likes of some of the providers in the UK, because they don't particularly like you to trade volatile markets, and these small caps can be quite volatile. And sometimes they request that you fill out a questionnaire that you understand, that you know what you're exactly doing in your experience. So that's perfectly fine. Once you've done that, you could trade on non-leverage if you want to, or you can trade leveraged brokerage products here as well when you're trading the US markets. Okay, and it's a little bit different from obviously spread betting the markets, where it's, if you're based in the UK, you can open a spread betting account and you're off and running, trading with £1 a point. Here, of course, you're trading in shares and positioning yourself in shares. And let's say 200 shares, 300 shares, 500 shares, 1,000 shares, 10,000 shares, whatever it is. And you're trading these moves. And the color method here from red to green just works so well. Incredible moves that we've had. Now, yesterday's, it was HWH, a couple of $1,000 move on that. But today, we've just kicked in another one here, guys. All right, so yesterday, not today's trade, I wasn't trading this at all, but yesterday, there you go, we've got the chart up on this, the 1 minute chart. It moved so well yesterday. This was the one where we took the long side, turned from, we come out the blocks again at 250, we pulled back with a red, that's our exit signal, went green here, we got red, we got a new buy signal but no momentum here, so that was a warning sign. And then we got green buy signal around 3:45, that's London time, we got the momentum as well, so that's no brainer. So if you're struggling, buying and selling and trading these small cap stocks, maybe look at the color method, because the system here does a lot. This is just it in its basic format, but it can really help you get in and out of these trades, guys, with precision entries and exits. Okay, it's always crunching the numbers, telling you when there's more buyers and sellers coming into the move. So if you're looking for something that's giving you a bit more of a precision entries, very quick ones, especially if you're day trading US shares, then you might want to look at the color method here at Trading College, because this is working so well. Okay, next Tuesday, the 9th of September, I'm going to be doing a webinar showing you, the trades that we're taking on the color method. Whether you're day trading US shares or whether you're day trading the German DAX, I'm always looking for that morning move, volatility move. And we certainly got that in the German DAX today in the European session. The US session was fantastic. It's AIHS. There was others in here as well, but STI was a good one as well. That pushed through nicely. UUU was a good one from yesterday as well. And once again, it absolutely nails it, guys. Okay, so if you want to dive into that webinar, register, put the link down below, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, guys.